Hi guys, we are coming to the third video of this paper, 2014 Summer Paper 1 Core Mathematics 0580 Code 11. So let's go back to the question where we stopped in the last video. That's the question number 17. It's fully done. Now we are moving to question number 18. Now, in this question, do not use your calculator and show all the steps in your working. So literally, you are not using any calculator. You are writing the steps using your pen on this paper. Okay, so we will try the same thing over here. Now, show that 3 1/5 minus 2 5/8 is equal to 23/40. So this is the one we will simplify to get what is here, 23/40. So when we simplify this, we should get this. Done? Okay, let's start. First, take note down in the form of steps. Where is my pen? Sorry. Okay. So the first step, 3 1/5 minus 2 5/8. How to simplify this? First, question number 19. The table shows the average monthly temperature in degrees Celsius for Fairbanks, Alaska. Month and its temperature. In January, the average monthly temperature it's a negative 23.4. Like this we have till December negative 21.8. So in between, like May, June, July, August and September, we have the temperature in positive, means the temperature is more, and more number with the negative sign is the least number. So in the sense, this is the least we can understand out of all the numbers. This is the coldest month, and the second coldest month is this, right? And third coldest month is November, then goes February, then comes March, then October. It goes like this. So what is the hottest month over here? July is the hottest month, which got a positive temperature. In the sense, it is very hot. So here, find the difference between the highest and the lowest temperatures. Yeah, just now we discussed about it. The highest temperature is in July. Perfect. The highest temperature is in July, and the lowest temperature, this is the highest, okay, and this is the lowest temperature. Now, difference between the highest and the lowest, right? So what do we get here? Yeah, after writing all those temperatures in ascending order, this is the perfect ascending order. If one more time I check, 23, 21, 21.4, 19 negatives, all these negatives. Okay, so positives are, there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. Oh. So 9.2. 13. There is 7.5. Sorry. There is 7.5. 7.5. Okay. Now it's perfect. All 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So how many positive temperatures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many negative temperatures? So 12 minus 5 is 7 should be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Now, so let's cancel on either sides those numbers so that we get to the middle with leftover numbers. This is what we do in the median. First step, write them in ascending order, all those numbers. And since it's a 12, it's an even number. Median will have two values. Look at this. Okay, a pair. You have to cancel on either sides as a pair. So the first one and here the last one. The second one, this one. A pair you have to keep on cancelling. Then you will reach to the center with the leftover numbers. Yes, we will not cancel these two numbers. Instead, we will simplify this. The average we have to find over here. How to find the average of these two numbers? Yes, so negative 5.8, negative 0.8, since there are two numbers over 2 you have to. This is what average. Fine. So what will be the answer? Negative. Question number 21. The diagram shows a circle inside a square. Okay. The circumference of the circle touches all the four sides of the square. Yes, here it's touching all four sides. Here. Okay. Then calculate the area of the circle when the side of the square is 15 centimeters. One side, this side S is equal to 15 of the square. So right from the beginning to the end, this whole length, and the square got all four sides equal. So everywhere it's 15, 15, 15, 15, right? Now, how to calculate the the area of the circle? We have a formula for finding the area. This is the area, right? This is the area of the circle. What is the formula? Yes. Okay, so this is the area. We have the formula to get the area of a circle, that is A is equal to, yes, pi r square, where r is what? The radius, right? Okay, now from where we get the radius over here in the circle? What we are given is only side 15, and this side 15 is running through the whole circle. In the sense, I can just take or join two ends across like this, and this forms the center. As usual, over here you see from one side to the other side, this is again 15 length or side exactly, and this is called diameter of the circle, that's D. Now, question number 22. Here is a figure, not to scale. This is north, south, east, and west. Okay. In the diagram, B is 27 meters due east of A. Right? Now, C is 34 meters from A due south of B. Down is south, right is east, left is west, and top is north. Okay, so now using trigonometry, calculate angle ACB. ACB. Okay, this is the angle. This is the angle we have to find. This one. Right? So it is the theta. Since it's right angle, it's always right angle. Yes. How to find in trigonometry? So trigonometry works everything on the right angle triangles. So using trigonometry, calculate angle ACB. So ACB is this one we have to find. Now, so this is a perpendicular. Yes, and this is the base, and this is hypotenuse. Okay, the slanting one is hypotenuse. The line straight is the perpendicular, and the horizontal line is base if you just go the other side and see. Okay, now here perpendicular over hypotenuse forms sine theta. Here the angle opposite to perpendicular is sine theta. Okay, so that's what we will write here, since we have to find ACB. Okay, so here we write perpendicular over hypotenuse. Okay, that forms sine theta is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. That's nothing but 27 over 34. Now, how to get the theta's value? So theta is equal to, here I'm going to take another color. Theta is equal to sine inverse times 27 over 34. Now, what will be the value of it? Let's just go to the calculator. This one, let's calculate this. And what we get is, here, just let me just go back. I need the scientific calculator. Yes, since, see, scientific calculator got the trigonometric facility, and also if you just go for the navigation, you have standard and you have so many types of calculations you can do in this Windows calculator. Now I need the scientific calculator here. Okay, now let me just get this 27 over 34 is something 0.79, and at times I have to go to trigonometric options. Here it's second and then sine inverse. what we get is 0.917. Okay, this is called in radians. Okay, so this is in radians. 0.917 radians, RAD. But we want it in degrees, since the theta is in degrees. Now, what we do, if you want to get the radians in degrees, theta is equal to 0. What you have the radians, you will write over here and multiply with 180 over pi. You will get it in degrees. Okay, let's try that now. Here 0.917. Okay, I'm gonna use that 0. Sorry, I'll go to the beginning. 0.917 times 180 over here. I can use a pi. 52.5. Okay, so with this the extra number, we took only the first three decimal places, right? So we can also add one more over here. So 52 point, altogether a round figure, 52.6 degrees it is. Okay, so this way we calculate the theta value here, 52.6. Next, find the bearing of C from A. What is the bearing over here? Bearing is always the direction east or towards west, perpendicular to north or south. So now in this case, what is the bearing from where to where? Bearing of C from A. This C from A. So this line C touches here at A, and bearing is the other part of the angle. Yes, here. This is the bearing. And you see here, theta here and is equal to this opposite angle here. This as well the theta, because they are opposite angles. If you take this A northwest and this BC as two parallel lines, and this AC will become transversal. Okay, so opposite angles they will become, and those angles measurement is equal. So what you have the theta, same will have here. Now what is the rest? This is the bearing. And what is the value over here? Same, 52.6. Okay, so this angle, a straight line is always supplementary angle, or we call it 180 measurement all the time. Yes, it is 180. Now, to get this bearing, we will subtract 180 minus 52.6. We'll get the bearing. Let's see. Okay, we write 180 minus 52.6. Now, what is the answer? let me just find it in the calculator. 180 minus 52.6 is 127.4. 127.4 is the answer. Okay, so we'll write the final answer as 127.4 degrees. See, you got 2 grades over there. Yes, so this is the end of the third video, which is actually it's going very long. Hope you understood it, and always you visit my channel to watch. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.